Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video we see what does command loft do in AutoCAD 3D modeling. See, where we see loft command is, first go to 3D modeling, see workspace switching, select 3D modeling over here. Next, see here, these are all 3D modeling commands. We see now the command loft creates a 3D solid or surface in the space between the several cross sections. Means it adds material between two different sections. Like one side I want one section, say suppose circular section, and its end the section should change. That means to the end that should be as a rectangular section or a hexagon. To generate that type of features, we use the command loft. For this, what we need to select is two sections or more sections and a path. So for that, see, this is in a top view now. See, I take spline, this is a spline or arc, whatever you can take. See, at the start and end means, see directly if you go like this, see this is circle command. I have selected circle here, created a circle at the start, and rectangle to its end. Shift this to isometric. Now select command loft. First it asks select cross sections. See, directly if you select this two sections, go for enter. See, guides, path, sons options. Directly it should show the output, but it is not showing now. Even though if you select path as this, you won't get the output. So in this case, what we need to do, loft, how to generate a loft. See, in top view what we did, all the three profiles, top view we took path as well as two profiles. Then when you see that in isometric view, see, all three profiles are on one plane. That means the profiles should be perpendicular to the path. That means these two profiles should be perpendicular to the guide curve or path. In that case, what we need to do is we have to go for a see, on top view we have generated this guide curve, and for these sections we have to change the view. I will show you. See, bottom view, not bottom view, go for left view. Now see, Zoom out this, just slightly turn this. Then go for circle. Now the same profiles I draw in side view. This I am creating on side view. Then the same rectangle, I delete these two things. Not required right now. Now the path is perpendicular both the sections. You can turn and you can see. Select a shift and middle, shift and scroll. You can turn the screen. Now see. Go for loft, section 1, section 2. Now you can see the output. If you go for enter, keep this in cross section only. Then normal material solid is added normal to the profile. Turn and I will show you. See, one side circular section, the other side rectangular section. See, this is one option, cross section. Then what is path? We see path. I go back. Now again go to loft, section 1, section 2, enter, go for path. Now you can see material adding along the path. See here. Now what is third option? The next option. See, the other option in that, loft, see, enter, select two sections, go for enter. Here guides. See, guides means, see, first I go for a cross section only. These edges, these connecting points, see, this edge, you can customize this edge. See, I don't want from this rectangular corner edge, it should not connect to this point. It should connect to its quadrant, circle quadrant. I want edge connecting the rectangular endpoint and quadrant of this circle. In that case, we have to use guides. I go back. See, go to line option for this. Then go for log. Now see the output. Section 1, section 2, enter, guides, this line, this line, this line, this line, all four lines are selected in the place of guides. Then go for enter. See, now I turn and I show you, I rotate and I show you. See the difference. So edges are meeting at one point. Downside also same thing. Like this you can utilize a guide. Right click properties and apply a color. See here, turn this, color is applied. Here we have orbit option, continuous orbit. See, if you select continuous orbit and you just click on the screen, then it keeps on rotating. So you can see it's a entire a shape or a section or form. So this is the command loft. Right click, exit. This is the command loft. I go back. Let me see with the other section, like we take hexagon in place of a rectangle or in place of a circle. I go back. I delete these guides. Or I delete this circle. Now I go for a polygon. Select polygon, enter number of sides, 6, enter. Now we connect these two profiles. I deleted again. I trying to create a somewhat a bigger hexagon. Now go for the same command loft. Select this profile. Select this profile. Now see, enter. See, now I select path. First we see with cross section only. Go for profiles, enter, cross sections only. See, so one side it is in hexagon shape, The other side rectangular shape. I go back. Loft. Enter. Path. See path. So it passes along that path. So guides, in the same way, guides you have to connect lines. Lines or arcs. Connecting to mid. Just I turn and show. See. Loft. Profile 1, profile 2 means section. Enter. Guides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. According to that guides, material added. So this is a usage of loft command. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe Imperial CAD system.